Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study comparison conditions. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on subscribe button here and click on bell icon so that you will notify as soon as we upload any video. In comparison condition, we will cover between and, in, like, and is null comparison conditions. We are going to start the first comparison condition, which is between and. For example, select first name, last name, salary from employees, where salary between 2500 and 3500. So the data which we got here in the result of this query is the data where salary is between 2500 and 3500. So 2500 is the lower limit and 3500 is the upper limit, and the remaining data which we got here is between 2500 and 3500. The next comparison condition which we are going to study is in. For example, select last name, salary, manager ID from employees, where manager ID in 100, 101, 201. So in the result of this query, the data which we got here is based on the manager ID, where manager ID is 100, 101 and 201. So as you can see here, the manager ID is 201, 101 and 100. So this is the in comparison condition. The next comparison condition which we are going to study is like. For example, select last name, first name, salary from employees, where first name like s and percentage symbol. So the result of this query which we got here is based on the first name, where the first character of that first name is s, and after that the percentage symbol can be replaced with any number of characters. For example, as you can see here, the first character is s and the remaining character are 5. And here you can see that the first character is and the remaining characters are 4. So percentage symbol can be replaced with any number of characters. The second example for like operator is select first name, last name, salary from employees, where last name like. So you're using the like operator, and then the pattern is going to be compared with that last name. So here we are going to use the underscore symbol and then O symbol and then the percentage symbol. It means that this underscore symbol can be replaced with one character and this percentage symbol can be replaced with any number of characters. So as the result of this query, the data which we are going to get here is, as you can see here, the first character can be any character, anything. As you can see here, K, L and P. The second character must be O, as we have typed here. And you can see the second character of the last name is O for all the names. And the percentage symbol, as we can see here, can be replaced with any number of characters. 2 characters and 4 characters and 1 character. The next comparison condition is null comparison condition. For example, select first name, last name, salary, manager ID from employees, where manager ID is null. So the result of this query, we have got that manager ID is null. So here the comparison condition is null is used in manager ID column. The data where the manager ID is null will be retrieved here. So we reached to the end of this tutorial. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.